Hi, my name's Darren. I'm here to go through a little tutorial on a mobile phone app called Patrol Assist. It also has an administration dashboard. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the guard login and the client login. I'll do the client login a little later on. So let's go and log in for the guard. It brings them through to this screen. They then have to enter their vehicle plate number and their unit number. This is for GPS purposes, and then they're ready to start. Okay, so here's the screen for the dashboard. I'm going to go through each functionality within the dashboard. We've got the QR and NFC scan. This is located on site at the location. They can use either or either, QR code or NFC. It basically timestamps the beginning of a task for a guard. Then we go on to the incident reporting. I'm glad to say this is a unique feature that Patrol Assist has developed. No other security app has it. Basically, you can capture the image and then you go through, and we can use our voice to text to create a description. So you just speak into the phone, creates a description for that image. You can do multiple images with multiple descriptions for that. Once you completed that incident report, you then press save. The guard will then e-signature it off and submit it. It'll then bring up a daily activity report. That will include the incident report within it. Okay, so now we're looking at the SOS and man down alerts. If a guard is shot or hurt, he can then contact emergency services. He can also contact management through phone or SMS for any reason, or he can go straight to emergency services, be it phone, be it fire, be it ambulance, be it police. Also, guard check is a compulsory thing he has to do every 3 hours, which indicates that he is okay and his location at that point in time. Okay, so the next one is property profile. Allows management and the guard a full comprehensive details on checkpoints, access points within a property, any owner or management details, and etc. Also, I'll move on down to the shift schedule, and then we'll come back and discuss the others. With the shift schedule, primarily it'll give him his regular shifts. It will then also give him, as you can see at the top there, random patrols. It'll give him time patrols if he has to lock and unlock a premises at the beginning and end of a shift. He's also got staff escorts if he needs to escort a staff from one location to the other. And down the bottom there you can see alarm response. Alarm response is if he has to respond to an alarm. Incoming versions, we will have monitor censoring through cameras where the guard can go on and have a look at exactly what's going on. He may just need to contact the police or the fire department. He may not even have to attend. Once he's finished, that will bring up the daily activity report. Okay. We're back to last shift transfer. So this will transfer any of the previous guard's missed tasks into the incoming guard's schedule. He clicks on this at the beginning of his shift and you can see that there's an incomplete task from the previous guard. He clicks on that. That will then give him a GPS track exactly to the location of that task. And please note that this app has full GPS features for any of the tasks within it. So going back to that, we now are ready to end the shift. That's the shift reports. This is the end of shift report. As you can see there, this is a full detailed comprehensive list of what will happen within that shift. That will then transfer it to the checkpoint timeline. This is what your client will see and only what he will see. So I'm going to go back out of this. I'm going to log out of the guard. And we're going to now go back into the client login. Have a look there. And bang, there you can see it, the checkpoint timeline. So the only two documents that the client will see is the checkpoint timeline and the daily activity report. So that pretty much completes the tutorial for today. I do thank you so much for watching.